Hi, my name is Shari Brandell and I'm the owner of Fashion Meets Faith. And I want to tell you how this idea of 40 Days to Fabulous came about. And I really hope that as you listen to me, you will hear my heart and why I want you in this program. Do you love what you wear each day? Are you super confident in your body and its beautiful assets or challenge areas and know how to dress them? What about your faith walk? Are you struggling maybe to have a quiet time with the Lord? Or really kind of wanting to dig deeper but don't know how? How about community? Are you involved in community? Would you love to be part of a sisterhood of like-minded women who really know and understand you? If so, listen to what I have for you. I have specifically designed this study group with you in mind. I know that there are some of you who struggle with what to wear on a daily basis or even how to dress age appropriate. And then there are others of you who are really struggling on how to have a quiet time. What does it look like to live an intentional life for Christ, or be authentic, or have humility or courage in your faith walk? Well, I have pulled all of that together in this 40 Days to Fabulous program. And it's going to be a study group. And we're going to have weekly live 40-minute sessions just for you. Every week, I am going to join you in a 40-minute live interactive session right inside a private Facebook group that would just be you, the students, and me. And we're going to have 30 minutes of a fashion lesson and 10 minutes of a faith lesson. And during that time, you're going to be able to ask questions, and we can stay on a little longer even during the course. But if you can't be on live with us, then you can watch it later. Each week, you will receive a personal study guide that will have you going through a journey. So as you journey through, just like the Israelites did in those 40 years, but you guys are going to do it in 40 days. And at the end, you'll have your roadmap set and finished to a more fabulous you. I am so excited about the faith aspect of this, and let me tell you why. I have gathered together 4 of my really good friends who are well-known speakers and authors and who have been teaching for many years. And they are going to come in and teach you on one specific topic. Each one of them has chosen a specific topic that they feel is very, very important to your Christian walk. So Katie McCown, who is the wife of former NFL quarterback Luke McCown, and she is the conference founder of She Laughs, and her main topic, she said, when I asked her, what do you want to teach these women? She said, I want to teach them how to be humble before the Lord and how to wear humility. And I can't wait to hear her lesson. And then Barb Bruce, who has authored, like 7 books, and her latest is on the book of Joshua and on worry, said that she wanted to teach you on how to be courageous and how to wear courage. And whether it's courageous in your personal life or your work life or your faith walk, but how to be courageous. And then Jill Savage, and many of you know Jill Savage, she was the original founder of Hearts at Home and has thousands and thousands of followers and has written all kinds of books on moms and marriage and, oh my goodness, so many things. She said that she wanted to teach you how to be authentic and what it really means to wear authenticity in your life. And Susan C., who is just an amazing woman who does all kinds of work with the If Gathering, she said that she wanted to teach you how to live an intentional life how to wear intentionality on your wardrobe for who you are in your life. Are you ready to start this 40-day journey with me? Who is coming with me? Who's gonna join me? Because I know that at the end of this 40 days, you are gonna feel fabulous and you will confidently be able to express who you are in Christ from within. So now you're wondering, how much does this cost, Shari? How can I join you? Well, we came up with a most fabulous price of $1 a day. $40 is all it's gonna take. And I was thinking, what costs $40? Well, a cheap pair of shoes, right? Is $40 and they hurt your feet. So for $1 a day, it's $40. Click and join below, and I will see you on August 21st.